aircraft community perspective, we are not producing enough new children to match with the retirement rate in the aircraft community. So anything that we can do to get more potential employees into a training program where they can determine whether or not they like that line of work, then they become ready to go to work upon graduation from high school. And there will be many students who either do not intend to do post-secondary or cannot afford to do post-secondary that need to be recognized as qualified workforce personnel for the aircraft community or the subcontract community. And CTE, along with some of the other programs in Wichita, provides that opportunity that makes them attractive potential hires for the aircraft community.